Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, when I talk to people about swimming pools, one of the most common subjects that comes up is the amount of chemicals needed for a swimming pool. So right off the bat with a fiberglass pool, you're using a lot less chemicals than you are with any other type of swimming pool. But very commonly, people ask me about things like salt systems and other types of things that can be added to a pool to lower the amount of chemicals and to make the water softer. And we are going to talk about salt systems in a completely different video. But today on Pool Talk with Trish, I want to talk with you about a very inexpensive option that you can add to your pool's equipment to lower the amount of chemicals needed, have really nice soft water, and to not have to deal with all of the corrosive properties of a salt system. So let's dive in. Okay, so clean, clear pool water without all the chemicals. Sounds fantastic, right? Well, it's not that difficult to accomplish. One of my favorite options to add to the pool equipment of a fiberglass pool is a Nature 2 mineral sanitizer. The Nature 2 system is very inexpensive and very easy to add right onto the existing equipment we're already putting in on the pool. This mineral sanitizer uses the ancient properties of minerals to destroy harmful algae and bacteria, all while using fewer chemicals. So the result is softer, more sparkling pool water with less of the unpleasant, harsh chemicals and the odors from those chemicals. So the Nature 2 system is a cartridge-based sanitizer, and the cartridges last about 6 months. And it works best in conjunction with reduced amounts of chlorine to deliver pool sanitation you can really rely on. And a special control release technology automatically dispenses the right amount of minerals, including ionic silver, into your pool water around the clock. So you can significantly dial down the amount of chlorine you have going into your pool. While the system can work without chlorine at all, it does work best when you have a little bit of chlorine in addition to the mineral sanitizer. And it offers a ton of benefits for pool owners. Everything from a healthier pool by destroying the algae and bacteria. Now we already know with the fiberglass pool, as I've discussed in several of my other videos, the pool itself can't harbor and grow the algae and bacteria into the surface because it's completely non-porous. But that doesn't mean that you might not have the algae and bacteria in the water itself. And the mineral sanitizer helps to eliminate that. And another benefit is crystal clear, softer pool water. And like I mentioned, a lot of people ask how they can get their pool water to have that nice, soft feel. And this is a great way to do it. And by being able to dial down the chlorine, you really are exposing yourself to a lot less of the harsh chemicals. And because the sanitizer is helping you eliminate the algae and bacteria in the water, your overall pool maintenance costs of keeping your water clean are a lot less. It also helps you keep your water in perfect harmony, if you will, by maintaining a more consistent pool chemical balance for softer, pH neutral pool water. And all you really have to do is change the filter out every 6 months, which is also very inexpensive, and it does everything else automatically. So you keep that very low maintenance benefit that we all love about the fiberglass pools. So all of this really does make the Nature 2 mineral sanitizer a really great, inexpensive option for cleaner, softer water with a lot less chemicals. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. Can't wait to see you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming.